Hi, class 102. Thank you for watching this video. This is your chapter 2, Bridges review. You have your quiz tomorrow. I hope you did not forget. All right, let's get started with your vocabulary. So the first words that we saw are these frequency words. We have always, usually, sometimes, hardly ever, or never. And these words help us to say how often or how many times an action is done or how many times we do something. So, as a review, if it's all the time, 100% of the time, you say always. If it's a little bit less, not all the time, but you do it a lot, you would say often or usually. If it's half and half, you'd say sometimes. If it's just a little, hardly ever. And if it's you just don't do it, then you would say never. In a sentence, it would look like this. How often do you exercise? You would say, I sometimes exercise if you do it half and half of the time. I hardly ever exercise means almost never do it. I always exercise means you exercise all the time. So there they are, our frequency words. And there are some other words that we also looked at this chapter. Let's take a look. We have brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth before bedtime. In social studies class, we saw that this is a good habit. Wash my face. I usually wash my face after exercise. This little bear is using their hands to wash their face. You can also use a washcloth. They use a washcloth to clean the Pikachu. Oh, this is a habit that you do, class 202. You always wave goodbye to me at the end of the day. I love that. The next word is share. So friends share things. It's a way to show kindness. In this picture, they share a sandwich. Oh my, look at this one. So many people. Look, they push him into the train. There's no room, but they still, oof. Oh my gosh, this train is very crowded. Too crowded, I think. Oh, okay, so the next word is scary. So we say the ghost is scary. The ghost itself is scary. Now, if I see the ghost, I'm going to feel something. The word is scared, and that's a feeling. The adjective feeling scared is when you look at something that is scary, like the ghost. So there's a difference there. When you see a ghost, you say, I am scared, but the ghost is scary. Okay, now moving on to math. We reviewed the clock. So remember, the shorthand are the hours and the longhand are the minutes. When it's at the 12, that's the start. So here we say it's 3 o'clock. Oh, let me move it over here. It's 3 o'clock, right? So remember, when it moves around the clock, it goes by jumps of 5 for the minutes, right? And in writing, the 12, we say o'clock, and then it goes around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. Okay, I'm over here now. Okay, so look at the clock. Just a few things to remember. Don't forget your hyphen. when you're doing like 20 and ones, 30 and ones, we always have a hyphen. So 20-5 or 20-4. Same thing for 30, 40. Don't forget FORTY for 40. And I've been noticing that some students are confusing 15 and 50. So be careful with that. 15 is 1-5. 50 is 50. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, class 202. Thank you for all your hard work. I hope you have a good night, and you will do great on your quiz tomorrow, I am sure. Bye-bye.